Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to service a Nissan Juke. First, gather your tools and consult your owner's manual for the recommended service schedule. Understanding your vehicle's needs is crucial for optimal performance and longevity. We'll cover basic checks and common maintenance tasks that you can perform yourself, saving time and money. Let's get started with the fundamentals of keeping your Juke running smoothly and reliably. Next, let's tackle oil changes and fluid checks. Changing your engine oil and filter is vital, typically every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Always use the correct oil type specified in your manual. Don't forget to check other crucial fluids like brake fluid, power steering fluid, and coolant. Maintaining proper fluid levels prevents wear and tear, ensuring your Nissan Juke operates efficiently and safely on every journey. Now, let's focus on tire care and brake inspection. Rotating your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles helps them wear evenly, extending their life. Always check your tire pressure monthly. Proper inflation improves fuel efficiency and safety. Also, regularly inspect your brake pads for wear and your rotors for any grooves or damage. Healthy tires and brakes are paramount for a safe and controlled driving experience in your Nissan Juke. Finally, let's talk about air filters and a special offer. Replacing your engine air filter annually, or every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, improves engine performance and fuel economy. Don't forget the cabin air filter, which should be changed every 15,000 to 20,000 miles for cleaner air inside your Juke. For more great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below. Keeping up with these simple tasks will ensure your Nissan Juke remains reliable and enjoyable for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.